How to unpin someone on Snapchat. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually unpin a particular profile or a contact on Snapchat. So let's say you have actually pinned someone, now you actually want to unpin them. If that is the case, you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first of all, what we can do is we're going to simply make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. So you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box you want to type in Snapchat and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After we've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. After you are logged in, what we are going to do is from the bottom left, we're going to tap on this chat icon in order to go to our chat screen. Once we go to chat screen, let's say you have a particular profile over here whom you actually want to unpin. Let's say I actually pin this person right over here. What you can do is simply long press on the profile name. Once you long press on the profile name, what you can do is simply tap on the button which says chat settings. So as you tap on chat settings, right here you'll have multiple options. At the second option you can see it says pin shortcut to home screen. Now if you've actually previously pinned this person before to your home screen, you would actually find the option to actually unpin it. For example, let me just show you, and then tap on chat settings right over here. You would actually be able to find an option which says unpin. Now this is one way to do it. The other way is from your home screen. You can also simply tap on it and then simply remove this shortcut which you actually just added as well. This is simply for the Android users. Now for iOS users, you would actually be able to see the button right on the Snapchat app as well. This was the way on how you could very easily unpin someone on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.